Good morning, y'all. This is Glenda. Welcome to our channel. I've got a project I want to do today, and I'm not sure if I've got everything I need to finish it with or not, but y'all come go with me and let's see if we can get some flowers put out on the front of the porch.
So what are you gonna do?
I'm gonna paint my flower thing as it goes on my front of my porch.
Wind's blowing.
I was gonna do it out there, but
Might need to let your curtains down there to keep that wind off, you
I can
reckon?
get paint on.
Yeah. You don't want to do that, do you?
Alright, this one, either this color, like that one, or a navy. And this one will have a bluish purple flower in
I think the white be better if you're gonna hang them out there on them rails
it. Yeah,
that we painted.
yeah, I think so too. I'm gonna paint these two. These have been, one of them's red and one of them's blue. And that's back when I...
Yeah, I like them chairs.
I look like I'm doing something so fancy in here, but I'm just trying to get some kind of something in around behind these vines, and I don't really have anything right now to go behind them that's gonna look right because I haven't got all my flowers. I'm gonna do something to make them be okay until the other flowers come in. I ordered them. I ordered them and they just hadn't come in yet. You have to think ahead, I guess. I didn't think enough ahead to get everything before I started this. So this is just, I got over here on the couch just a bunch of pieces of flowers that I've used before. And I'm going to try to piece some of them together. This is just little like dollar store stuff, Dollar Tree stuff. Sometimes it'll look all right, sometimes it looks like crap. So you have to kind of just put it in there and see what it looks like. And especially when you're using cheap artificial flowers. The cheap ones are better for outside. You don't want to put something in the flowers that hang on the porch that's gonna cost you a bunch of money. So you just get you some. These are UV safety, supposed to resist too many of the UV rays, and they won't fade as quickly in the sun, which is good, because the first year I did this, I put some flowers out there. Thought I was doing something good, put the flowers out there, and it really, by midsummer they were all faded out and looked horrible. So I didn't try doing that again. I think I've got it situated where it won't come out.
Here's your cutters.
Does it look stupid?
I think it looks good.
Well, you're gonna say that. Even if it didn't. Well, I hope y'all just don't hate it. So, because this is the way it's gonna be. My green thumb has turned brown. Did you get my screws to put them on the porch?
Yeah.
What, let's see, I was getting the screwdriver ready, what I was gonna do here. Well, what screws I had.
Put it down here. Have a little bit of fortress. See if I can find a place to poke it.
Well,
Let's go hang it up, and then we'll show them what it looks like. We'll be back in just a few minutes.
How's that look?
It'll have to be all right till I get some more. I've got other flowers coming. I can take those old big ones off the top.
Looks pretty good. Yeah, it's getting there. That's looking good. You done good.
That's going to be the wrap up on the porch project this morning. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. If you liked it, thumb up, subscribe, and give us a little comment. And remember that we love you and God loves you, and we'll see you on the next one.